The dying poison frog is a species of poison frog that is one of the most well-known amphibians on the planet. It's notable for its large size and brightly colored skin, yellow on the back and blue on the legs. It is one of the biggest poison frog species, growing up to 2 inches long. Poison frogs are among the most poisonous amphibians on the planet, as their name implies. The venom from some species has been utilized on the points of hunting darts and arrows in the past, earning the group the nickname poison dart frogs. However, there is no proof that the coloring poison frog was used for this. The name of this species comes from legends told by Europeans who invaded South America. Indigenous cultures in the Guianas and Amazon were known to color parrots' green feathers crimson by rubbing them with the skin of a dying poison frog. This legend, on the other hand, may be just that, a legend that has never been shown to be genuine. Dying poison frogs are found largely in the northeastern shoulder of South America, including French Guiana, Guyana, and Suriname, where they live under leaves in the dense foliage of tropical woods. They dwell in high humidity environments like amphibians. The wetter, the better. They congregate around bodies of water, mainly under mossy rocks. This region of South America is frequently split into forest islands, with each tree plot isolated from the others by a dry savanna or high plateau. As a consequence, each forest's population of dying poison frogs has developed independently, with no two populations being identical. The majority of frogs, save poison frogs, are nocturnal. Poison-coloring frogs are quite gregarious, and they like to stay in couples or groups during the day. Poison frogs are very energetic, even competitive, when they mate. They wrestle and pursue one another for hours at a time, or caress each other with their chins and forearms. Poison frogs have a hands-on approach to parenting the young, which is rare for amphibians. The father watches after the eggs after the female has laid them. The tadpoles climb onto their father's back as soon as they hatch, and he swims them out to a favorite body of water. The family will stay for nearly a year, until the baby frogs have reached full maturity. After then, they spend the rest of their lives on land. Though dying poison frogs like to stay close to the ground, they can climb up vines and trees thanks to their strong limbs. They have the ability to jump approximately 7 feet off the ground. The source of poison frogs' toxicity is unknown, although it's probable that they ingest plant toxins carried by their food, such as ants, termites, and beetles. Poison frogs bred in captivity and isolated from the natural predators never produce poison. Poison frogs that die themselves are not endangered, although they do confront dangers. Overcollection, as well as habitat degradation and fragmentation caused by deforestation, pose a hazard. They are frequently captured in the wild and sold as unusual pets. Frogs are extremely sensitive to even little changes in their habitat, therefore climate change is a possible hazard. The dying poison frog, as well as other poison frog species, dwell in protected regions such as French Guiana's Parc Amazonian. Furthermore, coloring poison frogs are easy to produce in captivity and may be found in zoos all over the world.